The future of BMW M is officially here. BMW has unveiled the stunning M Concept Neue Klasse at the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans, giving us our first look at the next generation of high-performance BMW M vehicles. Welcome back to World of Cars. If you love the latest automotive news and performance cars, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. A world premiere at Le Mans. BMW chose the iconic 24 Hours of Le Mans for the global debut of the M Concept Neue Klasse. It's the perfect stage to showcase the brand's vision for the future, combining motorsport heritage with cutting-edge electric performance. This concept represents the next chapter of BMW M and signals the beginning of a new era. Bold new design. The M Concept Neue Klasse features an aggressive yet clean design. At the front, you'll notice a modern interpretation of BMW's signature kidney grille, paired with slim LED headlights that create a futuristic look. Muscular wheel arches, sculpted bodywork, large aerodynamic elements, and a wide stance give the concept the unmistakable presence of a true BMW M car. Every detail has been designed to improve both performance and efficiency. Performance meets electrification. While BMW hasn't revealed full technical specifications yet, the company confirms this concept previews the future of its high-performance electric models. The upcoming production cars are expected to feature next-generation electric motors, advanced battery technology, faster charging, instant torque, and intelligent software designed to deliver the precise handling and driving excitement that BMW M is known for. BMW says electrification will enhance performance, not replace the thrill of driving. Inside the future. The interior follows BMW's minimalist Neue Klasse philosophy. Drivers can expect a clean digital cockpit, panoramic displays, sustainable premium materials, and advanced connectivity, all designed to keep the focus on the driving experience. Final thoughts. The BMW M Concept Neue Klasse is much more than a concept car. It previews the future direction of BMW M, blending bold design, advanced electric technology, and motorsport-inspired engineering. If this is what the next generation of BMW M models looks like, the future is certainly exciting. So, what do you think? Would you choose an electric BMW M over today's petrol-powered M cars? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World of Cars for more automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.